Hi, my name is Matt from LearnSBOM.com, and today I will demonstrate the usage of CycloneDX for Rust Cargo. This is a Cargo plugin that will use the current cargo.toml in your Rust project to generate an SBOM. It uses the command line interface and has simple parameters that don't require much setup. The installation is simple. To install, I will run the following command on my Windows host: cargo install cargo-cyclonedx. Here you can see I already have it installed, but this is the only command that you need to install. You can either run the program by specifying the exact path to its install in the .cargo/bin directory in your home directory, or more intuitively calling cargo CycloneDX. We can see a detailed help message of all available parameters by passing the -- help flag, as you can see here. And in this folder, I have a Rust project called Rust Hello. This is a simple project that prints Hello World, but it has a few popular Rust dependencies in the cargo.toml, namely clap, rand, and serde. I will have the plugin generate an SBOM in JSON format. This tool supports JSON and XML. I will also pass the -a flag, which lists all dependencies rather than just the top-level ones included from the project. To do this, I will cd into the top-level directory of the Rust project with the cargo.toml in my same directory. You may either do that or manually specify the path to the cargo.toml flag with the -- manifest -path flag. In this case, I will do the former. Cargo CycloneDX, format JSON, and list all. Here you can see that this command throws a few errors. These are all related to various packages and specifically their licensing. This is a current bug in the program that is resolved in a pull request, specifically number 363, which has not been merged yet. It is still able to successfully process the license, and the SBOM is still generated in the bom.json file. Something to note about this plugin: you can specify an output prefix for the SBOM file, but you cannot specify the name of the file. Overall though, this is a super easy to use SBOM generator that takes advantage of the organization of Rust projects by Cargo. Using it, you can have an SBOM within seconds without any headache on your part. The installation and execution of the program are both very intuitive, and I would highly recommend it for your next Rust project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at LearnSBOM.com.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.